So friend, this is my blue sky channel here. Last previous video I'm already told you what is a IIS manager and how can we using these systems here. But some video in topic not cover. So in this video I will cover more information in IIS systems here. So what is IIS one type of technology and how can we using these systems here. So I will discuss this in my video. So let's start. How can we start these IISs? Last my previous video watch these are very important for you because you cannot understand. So IIS part 2 is one type of very helpful for you. So how can we continue and how can we these start here? So watch my first video and this is my second video IIS. I'm already created other video of related component service. What is event viewer? Watch my video. So all video my part was here. So let's start here. Compression, you can compress your data and some your files of your website files here. So this is a very important for your computer and these your website only. Use this feature configure settings for comparison of response and this can improve the receive you know you these performance of a website and greatly and reduce your bandwidth related changes. So you want more good performance, so using compression and not more using a bandwidth. These are very important for your your sometime only compress file in this byte only. So enable dynamically control compress by default create these automatic operating system, but second is enable static content compression, but you can select you know enable static content compression is one type of your compress your files and folders and your data and improve your website here. So you can see this my Internet Explorer and Google Chrome. These are two browser showing all of other browser available, but I'm just showing only in my computer two browser. You can see here. So this is the internet browser access any my web content website data. So this compression very improve my bandwidth and this system here. So this is a small IIS server here and this not support multiple systems here and you can see this my I have no internet connection and I can start small website server in my client computer in my simple computer, but you are using as important your create your other external and important data. So you need first server operating system. I will discuss in server how can we create a web server website server, but I'm just showing only this browser in need internet connection. So compression is one type of your reduce your you open Facebook page. So Facebook page any open you any website open. So sometime your not need unnecessary files open here just like animations and some files. So this is a comparison is one type of you only compress in file large file. So this time compress 2700 this size here in only bytes, not kbs here. So what is a bytes and kbs I already talk about this and I will discuss next some videos. So I'm just showing only this 2700 is one type of compression by default in bytes only. You can set but I don't like these systems here. I like only 2700 by default is completely and cache directory. You can see here enable dynamic content compression. That means automatically your dynamic compression and your large file just like not 2 MB 5 MB 25 MB. So automatically reduce 2700 in this part here. You can see just here add cache directory. So this is 2700 and showing me application some systems here. You can see just here this is the application pools. So application pools, what is the why gate? This is the page lets your view and manage your list of application pools on the server, on this server only. So the application server and application pool associate with your one more application start and provide isolation among different applications. So Microsoft company in available this type application pool Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, but PCL these are using only server operating system in you are create a server. So this is .NET version 4.5 and .NET version 4. Classic in different type. You are setting your system in computer. So you can see just your Google company and showing this in this tab by default this is browser page here. So application pool one type of creating a browser and already bind in applications. So application pools are very helpful your website application, web applications, and the system this already start here. So this is application right side. You can see this is only operating system application. So you can see just by default this mail and mail using some application offline work, some application work online with internet and Xbox extension. You can see just here this using Microsoft Store using the internet here, but you can see just this application already this version 4.5 and application pool. So one type already create is very important for by creator .NET Framework Microsoft. So this is bind one type of your application in your websites and the server with application pools and directly access any your client. So you want add website, so click on sites and you can see just here and the default website already created by these operating systems here. So this is a site means your creator your binding your status, your IDs, anything. So ID is one type of one your website here. You can see just here. So this is a default website. You can see just one here showing me here. So this default website created start only HTTP and by this add already by default operating system Microsoft these systems here. You can see just uncount and showing me HTTP this type .NET and binding options here. Okay, and status showing me here. So you want add add sites, add website, right click and add new website. So this is a set website default. So you want anything new add your website, so click on add website. So this Microsoft company only Windows operating system available and as same available this Windows server operating system, but is not perfectly work with your without server this. But this is a small server in my Windows 10, Windows Server, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 available this type II server manager. So internet information services this you can see just here. So first you enter your site name. So I enter any site name, just like I'm just give Facebook this here. So you are enter application pool, not but automatically state here application pool here. And application pool you can see just this default app here. So you want to choose version 4.5 classic and version 4.5 other old. So I like only classic systems here because this application pool provide me application some services here. So I can enter and I can this payment mode that means integrated. So this is CLR version 4.0, but I don't like that. I will sometime not using it. So this is default. I'm cancel here because this is application, so and I can copy here. So I'm just okay and click on physical path. So enter your physical path. You are already put in your data here. So Windows by default, this website, uh, Windows partition C interpub, and you can enter your level. But I'm just my already this part custom I'm create here, and pass through authentication. So you can add your pass your through authentication. I will discuss in my Windows Server uh, series here, but I'm just only showing just as a demo. So this is the pass through authentication. That means you can authenticate add your systems here. So connect as your administrator account, local account, public, guest, anything. So you can see just specific user. Application user is passed through authentication, and authority you can set here. But I'm just specific user. That means I can set this my user, open this website, and enter name, username, password. You can see here. So I'm enter first. I'm already create username and password and different type system. But I'm not look like this. I don't like this system. Test setting means you can test your setting and click on this tab showing here. So that means your system first is ready website, and binding showing me here. So what is a binding? In binding one type of your operating system and your website data with bind in the system. So HTTP, HTTPS, and net, TCP, net. This is a but HTTP by default already installed, and my but HTTPS protocol is one type of you want PCI certification. So without certification you are assigned a certificate. So HTTPS you use using it, and what is your server website, your website open with this IP address. So all assigning, that means any website any these IP address, but I'm just specific this IP address enter here. Good. So I can set up here, but HTTPS, so you first need SSL certificate. Without SSL certificate you cannot using import, and you can enter port here. So HTTP protocol using port number 80 by default, but you can set here custom system here, but I don't like. And HTTPS protocol using a 443. So host name you can see just here. Host name means you are open this website, but you are enter other name here, just like you Facebook other name here. So I'm www.facebook1, facebook3, anything name. So you can enter host name here and just enter this tab and start on website immediately. So you want immediately open this website here. So Facebook is showing me an ID is my number 2 and started already my this website content and website information. You can see just here. Okay, and they're not showing in more. I'm not already at this status inside the systems here, but maybe this support this my website content, because this multiple website not support this IIS system here. Server only IIS service support these multiple systems here, but I'm just I will try open this website here, but you not this not support multiple site here. And by default you are open any your IIS server IIS services here. So web server always try to your finding your website as your IP address. So default document first set here. Default document, that means you can your default open your website in HTML, HTSP, PHP, other your first main page here. So this is index page is very important. So I'm already enter index.html, you can see just here, and open you want to add here. So you are added your first name here, your your file name here. Okay, so you must enter and default document, that means your default document start here. So enter name. So my file name is main my website file name is index.php, and I'm going to enter any these with these binding other files, so automatically this index.php redirect and showing my data in this my primary files. So I can delete here, but I'm just showing only how can we add and how can we remove here. So friend, what is a default document, and what is a system, these using default systems here. So I will discuss in more details for you IIS part 3 video, and this is very long duration time here. So I will discuss these other information in IIS part 3. So thanks for watching my video.